Magandang kilabot na gabi sa inyong lahat, mga ka-hunters. Andito na naman tayo sa panibawang ghost hunting video ng Cebu Ghost Hunters International. Mga ka-hunters, andito kami ngayon sa isang 4 na taon nang pinaglumaan na barko na nandito sa likod ko at marami daw mga nakikita na mga aparisyon at mga multo ang sabi pa ng caretaker dito. Tingnan natin kung itong sabi-sabi dito sa loob ng barkong ito ay totoo at mapapatunayan natin gamit ang ating mga equipments at kasama natin ngayon si Brother.
Hi guys, nice to meet you this evening. My name's Ramon Miles, International Psychic Medium.
Mga ka-hunters, wag na nating patagalin pa. I am Ka-Hunter LG.
And I am Ramon Miles.
At kami ang Cebu Ghost Hunters International.
Let's go.
Let's go. Ilang taon na po kayong caretaker dito?
Isa katuig ug unang kabuan. Inay mulabang nga gaytom niya naitunob sa tiil nga madungog na ko inigbangon ako wa may makita. Na mablibaw akong balibo. Nya magampo lang ko sa Ginoo. Mga di ko amahan namo og gimaya ka Maria nga Ginoo pakatulga na lang yung taon ko.
At dito mga ka-hunters ay kakapasok pa lang namin sa loob ng abandonadong barko na ito ay tila meron nang nagpaparamdam.
Na.
What was that?
Ito yung na to.
Oh, was that you?
Nagsugod na.
No.
Hindi la isang beses o dalawang beses, ngunit pangatlong beses itong parang nagdabog na parang ayaw nila kaming patuloyin. Nagtaka kami lahat at nagtinginan kung ano itong mga naririnig namin na nagdadabog at si Ramon ay bigla na lang rin napaupo. At dito ay napag-isipan ko na lapitan si Ramon at tanungin kung ano itong kanyang mga nasisense sa paligid.
Brother Ramon, what do you sense?
Spirits just waiting for us up the top of the stairs. A small child just ran around the corner.
What do you think is that child? Why is he here or she here?
He's looking, following us.
So yun mga ka-hunters, ang sabi pa ni Brother Ramon, pag may nasisensya na spirit, minsan daw is parang inaantok siya. So yun. Ito, dito mga ka-hunters, nandito pa tayo sa lower ground. Dito daw, madalas na merong nakikita si Sir James, yung caretaker, na aparisyon. So ito yung pinaka lower ground, luma na, kinakain na ng kalumaan itong sahig, tsaka yung sa sa taas.
At dito mga ka-hunters ay nagtaka ako kay Ramon nang bigla siyang minto dahil itong kumot daw umano na nandito na nakasampay ay gumagalaw ng kusa.
Moving. Stop moving it. Okay, if that is spirit that's moving that, can you swing it faster across this way? Check, come. Backwards and forwards. Further out. Push it further.
Kaya dito mga ka-hunters ay bigla ko na lang naisip o napaisip ako na baka nang dahil lang sa
To debunk it, Brother Ramon, maybe it's because we are in the sea and this is a ship and it's the movement of the ocean.
There is no movement of the ship. The waters outside, as you can see on the original film when we first started, is still, completely still. That is moving more and more.
And
we're not moving.
That are moving.
They're not moving over there. This is here. Quite.
So nasa isip ko mga ka-hunters, may punto din si Ramon kasi yung mga ibang sinampay na mga tela ay hindi naman gumagalaw. Ngunit itong nasa harap namin na kumot ay ito ang kusang gumagalaw.
Try to stop it. Let's try. So dinedebunk ko lang muna mga ka-hunters, baka sa lang, motion lang dahil nasa barko kami. O tingnan natin.
I mean, you can make your own choice as to what's moving it, but there is no wind. The entrance is over in that direction. There's no gaps here where any wind could come through. You've got the clothes over there. There's no movement there.
Sa puntong ito ay napagdesisyonan na namin na gamitin ng aming mga equipments. Titingnan natin kung bibigyan ba tayo ng authority ng spirit kung siya man ang gumagalaw nitong telang ito o ng kumot na ito na nasa aming harapan at upang ma-validate din ang psychic ability ni Ramon kung tama ba o magtugma ba kung mabibigyan kami ng authority ng espiritu.
So there's no electricity around. Walang electricity dito sa paligid. Because yung EMF is an electromagnetic field which is sumasagap ng enerhiya o energy. Hear that? There?
There's something throwing.
You heard something. I didn't actually. So, okay, Spirit, can you do that again, please? Thank you for that.
Sa mga puntong ito ay napapaisip na kami na baka yung mga sinasabi ng caretaker na si Kuya James ay totoo. Kasi base sa aming mga obserbasyon, may mga nangbabato o parang mga nalalaglag sa aming paligid. Ngunit kami lang naman ang nasa loob ng barkong ito at walang ibang tao.
So it's not fluctuating, but the motion's still there. There's no wind. So, tingnan natin.
Pagkatapos naming ma-deploy ang iba sa aming mga ghost hunting equipment, 5 minuto ang aming inintay kung meron bang authority galing sa mga spirits na mag-activate ang isa o lahat ng aming mga equipments.
Nandito yung live equipment natin, yung ating human equipment, kundi walang iba si Brother Ramon, our medium psychic, together with our equipment, ghost hunting equipments there. Tingnan natin. We will give you 5 minutes
Yeah.
time. Oh, there's a
Yeah.
fluctuation. We will let our medium psychic to call or try to ask the permission of the spirits if they want to communicate, not just by Ramon, also with our equipments.
As soon as you said that, I'm being pushed.
Okay?
At sa mga puntong ito mga counters, pakinggan ninyo ang audio na ito, ay merong nakuha na parang pangalawang boses ng ako ay nagsasalita.
We need your presence. We need your presence. And I hope you try to communicate using our equipments. Show yourself. Can you reveal yourself to us? What's happening there, Brother Ramon?
They're pushing my legs, my knees, and my shoulders.
What spirit are you encountering now or detecting now? Sensing now.
Male spirit. Male spirit that is located in this area and stays in this area.
Is he? Does he work here before? Or
Let me ask him.
so Ramon now is using his ability.
He says he was a boiler man.
Pardon?
He says he was a boiler man. That he
So
worked
boiler man
in the boiler.
in the boiler downstairs.
Yes, in the
Okay, we
engine
will go
room.
we will go there later. Okay.
He's quite a nice gentleman.
Mm-hmm.
This guy is basically just chilling out here.
Another footsteps on my left side.
At sa puntong ito ay unti-unti naming naririnig yung mga hindi mapaliwanag na mga footsteps dito sa lower ground at saka doon sa second floor. Nakakataka lang mga ka-hunters.
May footsteps sa taas. Oh.
There's a lot of swearing. He's just told me to, you need to bleep this out. He just told me to fuck off.
Like leave.
Yeah.
Okay, how many minutes do we have?
Well, actually 5 minutes, I
Okay,
think.
mga ka-hunters, ligpitin na natin muna ang ating mga equipments. Ramon just detect a spirit dito, which is a male. I'm near. So ako lang yun. Which is, he works in the boiler. So we need to go downstairs in the boiler. So use our equipments, and mga ka-hunters, wala tayong nakita na nag-activate. Pero ito, may nakita tayong activation kanina. Fluctuation gamit itong EMF. But I think, probably, may pahiwatig yun. So tingnan natin kung yung sinasabi ni Brother Ramon, our medium psychic, that he sense a male spirit in the boiler who works in the boiler. Let's check in downstairs later. So, let's go. So mga ka-hunters, sa boiler, yun yung parang unang spirit na na-detect ni Ramon o na-sense ni Ramon. Isa daw nagtatrabaho dito dati. Sa boiler siya na-assign siguro. Pero hindi tayo magtatagal masyado doon sa boiler kasi mabaho yung likido, yung oil. So, mga ano lang siguro, mga 3 minutes. So, isa-isa dating papasukin kasama yung team ni Sir Harry. Yan yung mga cameraman niya. Yan, hello kayo sa camera, brother. Yun. 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 So, let's go, samahan nyo kami mga hunters. Let's go to the boiler. Saan ba nating saan ba tayo dadaan? Ah, dito. Yun.
May cabin rin.
Wala.
Now, I've not said a protection prayer because I don't want to restrict any spirits coming through to us, but we'll do a closing prayer to make sure that we're safe from them. Oh, is it through here? Which way? It's not that way. Ah, yeah, it's here. Okay. I'm going down first, not because I'm the bravest, but because I want to make sure that it's actually safe for us to go down. And I don't mean the structure, I mean with the spirits. Be careful down here with the steps. I just heard something in the boiler room. Be careful with the steps.
Hari nasa likod. Yan, dito na tayo sa boiler. Aroy.
Ngayon mga ka-hunters, nandito na kami sa ilalim na palapag o itong boiler room kung saan merong nasense si Ramon na meron daw ditong binawian ng buhay.
So slowly.
So isa din ang aming binabantayan dito sa ilalim ng boiler ay yung aming mga tinatapakan. Kasi puno na ng kalawang o itong yero na aming tinatapakan ay hindi na matibay at baka kami ay madisgrasya. At ito rin mga ka-hunters, isa rin to sa nakakuha ng aking atensyon. Ito parang malaking kwarto dito sa ilalim ng boiler room. Tila maraming mga nakatitig lang sa amin dito sa loob ng kwarto na ito. Ganon din ba ang inyong nararamdaman? Please comment mga ka-hunters. At para mas makita pa ninyo yung boiler room o kung anong yung itsura ng isang boiler room, ito ang mga nakuha naming video.
Diyan lang itong mga camera.
At dito mga ka-hunters ay napagdesisyonan na namin na gawin din dito ang human pendulum kung saan si Sir Harry ang aming magiging guest na siya ang nasa gitna at gagamitin natin para makipag-communicate sa mga spirits.
Steps mo.
What I'll do is I'll explain here. I'll explain to the viewers how this works, and then we'll go straight into it. So, first and foremost, Sir Harry will not be hypnotized. No one is ever hypnotized. We go through a system where it will allow Sir Harry to be more relaxed, to open his mind so that spirit can communicate with us. It is perfectly safe. I've used this thousands of times, and he will not at any time be possessed.
Okay.
I hope. Joking.
You ready, Sir Harry?
Okay.
First time ko itong gagawin mga konse kasi matagal na kami nagsama pero first time ko gawin to. Try natin to.
Mga ka-hunters, abangan ang part 2 ng Abandoned Ship kung saan ginawa na namin ang human pendulum kung saan si Sir Harry ang nasa gitna. Maraming salamat mga ka-hunters at pinanood ninyo hanggang sa dulo o sa katapusan ng part 1 ng video na ito. Maraming salamat sa inyo mga ka-hunters at sa susunod na video, mag-iingat tayong lahat.